On our way to the second villa.
For that party.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, so great.
Mate, that's...
Vroom. Vroom. Oh. There we go. Let's go. So.
Hello, brother.
Based on the Arabica package. And it's gonna change to be ready, means ready to be harvested. And right there, we separated to get the beans here. So the beans still protected by its shell. So it's still okay to drink. I mean, we not drink directly.
Coffee.
Right, here we go. Coffee from a Luwak. Digested and then remade into coffee.
Yeah.
Very nice. Tastes like coffee. Okay, here we have some durian coffee. Smells like durian, which is not the best. Actually, not bad. It's always the smell.
It's enjoyable.
Yeah, I like it. It's always the smell that's bad, but the taste is okay.
Yeah.
Just tried all of these, every single one. Delicious. That's the menu right there. Sorry, Harry.
I think it's on the other side of that cliff. It's all changed. I hope not.
Storn! What's up? Right, let's go. Harry, side by side, Harry.
Yeah, just speed walk. Oh! Do not break the leg.
Oh, fucking
Go.
Come with me, come with me.
Shut the fuck up, guys. Mate, there was a bat.
It's a dead end, bruv. It's a fucking dead end. There's a fucking dead end. Go back. Go, hurry up. It's a dead end, bruv.
Oh my god. That was so fucking scary.
Oh, fuck. I just slapped my head on a rock.
Did you run into that head first? Why's my flash on? Well, current update on the Bali situation. We're going to leave this place, although it looks very nice. We can't hack the jungle room because it's literally just outside. And there's frogs, lizards, spiders everywhere, so not ideal. The room upstairs as well, just up here. It's nice. Maybe we're just picky, I don't know. But it's kind of just in a hut, so not so much like a well protected room, which would protect you from the bugs. Now we're going to go to the rice fields. And the other day we lost Joel to the Bali belly, and now we've lost Harry to the Bali belly. So whether I'm next, I don't know, but we'll see what happens. Some nice pools over there, banging in place.
That's fucking sick. $28.
Huh?
I might just get
So everybody, here we are in Ricefield and we found some rice right here. I'll turn camera around so you can see. Look everybody, it's rice.
It's basmati rice apparently.
Really? I really like them. If you know these noodles, crisps, they're very good. I like them. Okay, you're free to go. Whoa, whoa. Wow. Here we have it. And then we have Joel Barnes.
Popcorn. She just said get juicy one.
Welcome to Monkey Town, Monkey Town. Okay, look, it's a monkey and Joel. It's Joel and a monkey.
Okay.
We got a fight.
It's French kiss.
Oh, wait, they're getting off. My God. That's like Joel. Watch out for the bats.
They're actually...
Damn, son. What's going on? Big fang and big balls. You got big balls, man? Hello, how are you? Oh.
one of the.
Oh yeah, the boy's looking fresh.
We do these Bali babes when it's in the temple.
Talk to the screen.
I don't need to talk.
Talk.
Hello everyone.
Follow him in.
Oh, toilet, perfect.
I'll give you my credit card. Oh, unlimited spend for the night. Wow.
Dan, if I'm filming for you, I want to see some commentary, mate.
These like 2-second clips.
So this is all on your phone.
There.
We got two.
Steady on, lad. Steady on.
No, don't like that.
Give me 0.5, boy.
You just fit all in. Enjoy today, boys.
Giddy, Tro, and Jack.
Yeah.
Me and my babe going for breakfast. Yeah.
Some brekkie.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice little pool here at the breakfast spot.